Hello again, and welcome back to another Halloween makeup tutorial. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. We are going to make ourselves into cute, adorable, sexy little scarecrows. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing that I am doing is I'm going to pop in some contacts. These are some emerald green contacts from Camel Eyes. I love Camel Eyes. They have some of the best selection of Halloween contacts. They are fantastic. I had a little bit of a mishap with my right eye. It just did not want to take it, so we are going to give my eye a break and come back to that later. As you can see, my eye was just not having it, but don't worry, we eventually get it towards the end of the video, so just bear with me here. The next thing I'm doing is I am just touching up some makeup because I actually filmed this video when I returned from work, so I had a little bit of touching up to do, so I'm just fixing up my eyeshadow a little bit, and I'm also going to be applying some false lashes. These lashes are by Broadway, and they are the Femi style, and I'm just using some Duo Lash Glue to apply those to my eyes. So first I just apply the Duo Lash Glue to the band, let it get tacky, and stick it on my eye. I do not wear false eyelashes very often, so this was quite a challenge for me. I can't even remember the last time I wore false eyelashes. Maybe it was like a year ago or something crazy like that. But once I have those on and stuck on, we are going to smoke out the bottom lash line, and for that I am just using this jumbo eye pencil from LA Colors, and I am putting a substantial amount of this on my waterline, and then we are going to be using a dense eyeliner brush like this one you see here. I believe that one is by Urban Decay, and I am just bringing down that eyeliner, kind of really smoking it out. So there are what the eyes are looking like. Now we can move on to the lips. So first I'm just going to outline my lips with this CoverGirl lip liner, pink mauve-y color I would say. So just to get everything started, I'm just gonna line my top and bottom lip, and then we're going to move on to lipstick. Now this look is very versatile. You can choose whatever colors you want. I decided to go with CoverGirl cream lipsticks in 2 different shades of pink. We have this one, which is Honeyed Bloom and Delicious. So I'm just applying those on my top and bottom lips, starting off with the light one and then using the darker one for a little bit more dimension. Then to highlight the face a little bit, I'm going to use this Laura Mercier Skin Highlight, and this is in the shade Addiction. It's a really nice gold color. Now, typically this would be a little dramatic on my skin, but since we're doing a cute scarecrow, I thought it would look really nice. And this look is insanely easy because the only thing left to do is apply the stickers. I found this little scarecrow sticker kit from Spirit Halloween a couple years ago, and they were actually super effective. So the first thing I'm doing is just flipping up my septum ring so it doesn't get in the way, and you just start applying the stickers. Now, they did stick really well. However, I made the mistake of not removing my makeup in the areas that I needed them to stick. So this little blue patch up top, it had a hard time sticking, so I actually tried some Spirit gum on the back of the sticker, let it get tacky, and stick it there. That worked a lot better. And then for the rest of the stickers, I went in with some makeup remover. That way they would stick better, because if you have makeup on and try to put these on, it's not going to work well. Next, I'm just holding up the template to see where I want to put the rest of the stickers, and like I said earlier, I'm just going in with some e.l.f. makeup remover wipes and rubbing off the makeup that I applied in the areas that I know I'm going to be putting a sticker. So starting with my nose, so we can put our little scarecrow nose on, just making sure it's all wiped off and dried off, and you simply just, stick the stickers on. and then I'm just doing the exact same thing for the lower lash line stickers. Now these do have a little bit of a shine with them because they are, you know, stickers. So you could maybe use some translucent powder on top of them to try to get rid of that. Now we are going to move on to the mouth. This part I found the most challenging because obviously you want them to match. I mean, if you don't want them to match, that's totally cool too. That's a very unique look, but I really wanted mine to match really well, so I had a hard time like trying to line them up, but I eventually got it and it turned out really, really cute. I feel like this kind of pulled the whole look together. It almost has like a skeleton look to it as well. I don't know why I was getting those vibes. And then since I have a very small face, the little cheek blush stickers would not fit on my face, so I just decided to recreate those myself. I'm just using this Tarte blush in the shade Party. It's a really, really nice flattering pink, and on just an eyeshadow brush, I am packing this on right on top of my cheeks to kind of recreate those little stickers that we were going to put on. So here is what the look looks like all finished up. As you can see, we finally got that right contact in. I don't know what the deal was, but I eventually got it in, and they are actually really super comfortable, so no issues there. The next thing is, of course, accessorizing, so I'm going to kind of scruff up my hair a little bit and put on this cute, adorable little headband hat with the little crow on it. I saw this at Halloween City and about died for it. It's absolutely perfect and so cute. And then once you have all the desired looks down, your look is complete. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing this. I really like to do more simple looks like this because they're just super cute and really fun and easy to do for Halloween. So I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, as always, make sure to go down, give this video a huge, huge thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys so, so much, and stay tuned for many more Halloween makeup looks coming your way. I'm so excited. Do you guys love spooky season as much as me? Because I'm obsessed with it. Like, look at my little happy dance there. Alright guys, I love you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!